o papel social do judeu era de primeiro plano. Eu suponho que aqui, aquilo a que nós hoje chamamos o setor dos serviços, era inteiramente com os judeus. O letrado, o homem de leis, era judeu. O médico, o homem da doença, era judeu. O financeiro, o homem do câmbio, era judeu. O comerciante, o homem da importação e da exportação, era judeu. O produtor, até do azeite e do vinho, era judeu. Nos trabalhos menores, o carpinteiro, o alfaiate, o chapeleiro, eram judeus. Quer dizer, os serviços estavam confiados aos judeus. Não era judeu a casta militar, que eram de outra natureza, e os homens mais humildes que trabalhavam a terra e que faziam parte, a meu ver, da primitiva população hispano-romana.
במפעל זה היה תפקיד נכבד גם ליהודים. ציור קיר גדול, התלוי במוזיאון הימי של ליסבון, מעלה על נס את חלוצי העידן החדש. בראש הקבוצה רואים את הנסיך אנריקה הספן, מייסד המכון האוקיינוגרפי, ראשון בסוגו, שבו קיבץ מלומדים בני כל העמים, כדי לחקור, מה שנחשב עד אז משימה בלתי אפשרית, כיצד ניתן להגיע בדרך הים להודו וליתר ארצות המזרח הרחוק. בין הקרטוגרפים שהעסיק היה אחד, ג'קומה ממיורקה, והוא ככל הנראה יהודה קרסקס, שצייר עם אביו אברהם את האטלס הקטלני המפורסם, הנחשב לפסגת ההישגים הקרטוגרפיים בסוף המאה ה-14.
Como sabe, foi através de judeus que nós recebemos aqui os conhecimentos de geógrafos árabes e as tábuas de declinação levadas pelos pilotos das naus da Índia eram ainda as que tinham sido impressas por judeus de Leiria, de um autor judeu, o Abraão Zacuto. Toda essa ciência náutica passou pelas mãos dos judeus.
Here we have it. Now this is to the books of my library to which I feel most attached. It is the so-called Almanaque Perpetuum, the tables which allowed Columbus to make his trip. And not only to Columbus, because apparently it was a must among discoverers in the measure that Vasco da Gama had one on board, and not only Vasco da Gama, but also the discoverer of Brazil, called Álvares Cabral, who sailed to Brazil in 1500, had this book. And this book allowed them to locate their position on the sea exactly where they were. This is a Venice edition, early 1500, which is written in Latin. And it says here, Almanac Perpetu Rabbi Abraham Zacuti ac ipsum canones sine problemata incipiunt sidere Fausto. In fact, the Almanac Perpetuum Celestium Motum, which is exactly the almanac of the movement of the skies, is a book which had no substitute at the time. The people before Zacuto, they had to take Regiomontanus and other tables, which, like the ones which were done also by Jews under the leadership of Alfonso X, Alphonse X of Spain, didn't have the accuracy that this had. And so in a way, it probably made